Once you have made a copy of the Write Your Own Dystopia packet, please be sure that you have saved it correctly by deleting copy of in the name of the document, putting your first name and last name, and putting your first name and last name and your homeroom teacher's name at the top of the packet. The packet says, after reading the dystopian stories The Lottery by Shirley Jackson, Harrison Bergeron by Kurt Vonnegut Jr., and The Giver by Lois Lowry, you will now write your own dystopian short story. At the beginning of the unit, we learned that dystopias are bad places where no one would want to live, but that people living in the dystopias think it is a utopia or a perfect society. The only exceptions are the protagonists, who realize their world is flawed and try to change it. Dystopias often criticize problems the author sees in the real world at the time he or she is writing the story. You should write your story criticizing a problem you see in today's society. On the first page, you are given the basic outline of the dystopian story. First, the setting and protagonists are introduced. Then, clues are given that the world in which the character lives may not be the paradise that it claims to be. Next, the protagonist finds himself or herself in an unexpected situation. Then, the protagonist realizes that he or she is living in a dystopia. Then, the protagonist decides to take a stand against the society, sometimes with the help of a mentor. Next, the protagonist carries out his or her plan to change the dystopia or take a stand and faces dangers and challenges. Then at the end, the protagonist either succeeds or dies in the attempt. If you need more information about what takes place in a dystopia, please take a look at the examples written under each of the different stages of a dystopian story, or you can take a look at these videos about the Hunger Games, the Maze Runner, or this Prezi presentation on what is dystopian fiction. Before you get started on your pre-writing, please be sure to take a look at the rubric for your short story that you will eventually be writing. This short story, when it's completed, will be worth a total of 50 points. The first thing that you need to do is complete the brainstorming. It says, in the web below, write ideas for your dystopia's setting, characters, problems in this dystopia, possible ways your protagonist could fight back against the society, problems in our society that you could criticize through your story, etc. To open the web, double-click on it. So you will double-click on the web, and once you do that, it will open here, and you'll be able to make changes. In order to type in any of the boxes, just double-click, and then you can type in the box. When you've finished filling in your web, be sure to click Save and Close. When you click Save and Close, your changes will appear on your web. Once your web is finished, you may want to look at some more ideas. If you need more ideas, you're welcome to click on this link, How to Build a Dystopian World, which will take you to a website all about how an author can build a dystopian world. Once you're sure that you have enough ideas, please take a look at the roles of your characters. You will need a protagonist, sidekick, or a mentor, and an antagonist. If you'd like more information about how to write a protagonist in a dystopian short story, you're welcome to click this link, which will take you to a presentation on protagonists in dystopian stories. For each character, you'll need to come up with a name for that character and a description for that character. The next set of questions asks you about the theme in your story. If you're not sure what a good theme would be for your dystopian story, you're welcome to use this link at Common Themes in Dystopian Literature. For each of these questions, You will answer in this second column. Once you've decided on a theme, you'll need to take a look at your setting. For more information about dystopias, you're welcome to click this link and take a look at a document about dystopias. You'll need to go through and answer these questions about the dystopian setting, and then answer questions about the conflict. In dystopian fiction, conflicts are character versus society or man versus society conflicts. If you click this link here, it will take you to a short lesson on man versus society conflict, and it will even give you definitions and examples. Once you've answered these questions, you're ready to move on to the next phase of this project. While you're working, please be sure to use your time wisely. If you have questions, you're welcome to speak to the people around you or ask the teacher for assistance.